Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my strawberry shortcake. The first thing I'm going to do is prepare my strawberries. And here I have 2 pounds of strawberries, but I'm only using half of this. I'm going to take the leaves and the stems off, and then I'm going to wash them. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Okay, now that I've washed the strawberries, I'm going to cut off the parts that look bad, and then I'm going to core it. After I core it, I'm going to slice it, and I don't want it too thick or too thin, but just the right size. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. And be sure to click the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. I know there are different ways to make strawberry shortcake, but this is by far the easiest way, and it's just so good. Okay, after I cut everything, I'm going to clean up this mess, and then I'll come back and add some sugar to it. Okay, and now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of white sugar, but you can add as much or as little as you want. It depends on how you like it, and it depends on how sweet your strawberries are. Give everything a good mix, and then you're going to put it in the refrigerator. To make the cake, I'm using a yellow box cake, and I'm just following the instructions on the box. I don't care what people say about box cake, but I love a good box cake. Okay, now I'm putting in 1 cup of water, a half a cup of oil, and 3 eggs. I'm using the Duncan Hines brand of box cake for this, but I really prefer the Betty Crocker, but they didn't have any. They were sold out, so I had to get this one. But there's just something about the Betty Crocker. I just feel like it tastes nicer. I'm just doing this according to the package instructions again, and it says to beat this for 30 seconds and then give it a stir and then beat it for 2 minutes on medium speed. I learned about this recipe from my husband, and I don't know where he learned about it from, but we've been making this for years and years. Every year in the summertime, this is our favorite thing to make. Leave me a comment below and let me know what's your favorite summertime dessert. I'm going to put this in a long baking pan, and I just sprayed it with some cooking spray. But if you want to, you can make a round cake, you can make a bun cake, you can make cupcake. You can make it to whatever shape you want. Bake this in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. I'm going to let this cool down completely before I serve it up. Now that it's nice and cool, I'm just going to cut out a nice piece. Nice big piece. I'm going to cut this in half because when I put the filling and the strawberries on top, I like to layer it. Now the best part is the Cool Whip. And what I like to do is I put it in the refrigerator and let it thaw out in the refrigerator and just keep it down there. I mean, you can keep it in the freezer, but I like the texture to be like this, so for this I just keep it in the bottom of the fridge and just put as much as you want. And then I'm going to put some of that delicious strawberries that I made earlier. Just going to put some on top of that. I'm going to put the other half of the cake on top, and then I'm going to repeat the process. Oh, look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. This just tastes like summer. Looks like summer and tastes like summer. It's so light, it's so refreshing, it's just so good. I wish I could share with you all. This is by far one of my top favorite summer desserts for sure. It's just a perfect bite. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.